Now we can see the report of general report of the employee. This is the employment detail. Here you can see all the detail of the employee, all each and every detail of the employee, name, gender, date of birth, nationality, bank detail, and all the detail. And you can also print as a print view, and you can also export as a Excel, and you can also choose column which you want to see. In general detail, you can see the general detail of the employee. In attendance detail, you can see only attendance detail of the employee. So, these all are the report. You can view the detail bulk wise. From penalty and reward, you can see if you have any kind of monthly reward, you can see a report from here. If you have any kind of monthly penalty, you can see from here. Leave report, monthly leave status, you can see here. If employee is in vacation, the from 1 to 9, it will become here V code for vacation. If he is normal leave, then it will come as and from which date to which date it will show here. In annual leave history, you can see this employee is in annual leave, so you can see he will be in annual leave in February 2021 from 1 to 22. So you can see he is taking 50 days leave. Description, you can see his leave history. Annual leave available. If you want to see till this date how many annual leave is remaining for the particular employee, you can see from here. In till today, the leave is for this employee is this much. If you want to give after 2 months, how many your leave will be, so your leave after 2 months, your leave will be this. So you can see here available annual leave. This is the annual leave payment. The see, we have right now we have created for 4037 annual leave amount. So we can see for he was taking leave amount from 8 January 2016 to 21 January 2021. His leave amount is this. So we can see the report. For employee performance, this is when your department manager will make your appraisal, then you can see appraisal and it is confirmed by general manager, then you can see this report here. For update salary report, if any salary is revised, so you can see year wise. In this year, for this for this for this employee, the this much salary is increment. For card report, you can see payroll card report. If you have applied for payroll card, so you can and your payroll card is confirmed, so you can see the report from here. Same for ID. For miscellaneous, change of occupation in ICAMA, if you have applied change of occupation in ICAMA from self services and it is confirmed, so you can see report here. When you have when someone is apply and his report is confirmed, then you can see HR can see the report in this section. Same for end of services. If any employee is apply for resignation and his resignation is confirmed, then HR can see the report. End of service benefit, you can see for these are the end of service benefit for this employee. If you want to filter month wise, year wise, you can filter from here. If you want to see only for in 2021 January, you can see here. If you want to see in other year, you can, if you have, you can filter from here. That's it.